Hello, what's up, sunshines?
Good day mga viewers.
Hey, what's up? Hello.
Hello, it's me. Hey, promise. What's up, girl? Hi, guys. It's me, your girl. What's up, guys?
Hi, hello. Hi.
Hi, guys.
House of Horrors.
Hi, guys. On today's episode, I'm excited to tell you that I'm going to dye my hair for the first time. For the first time in forever. And the color I chose is mahogany. And I'm going to use this one. So, let's start. Product that we'll be using today is Glamours. Buksan natin. Ta-da! The package includes hair dye shampoo, fixative, and disposable gloves. Basahin muna natin yung instruction. If you're a first-timer user, like me, you need to do a skin patch test. Malalaman mo if may allergic reaction ka sa product or wala. If meron, hindi mo na dapat gamitin ito. Ito yung gagawin mo if kailangan mo mag-skin patch test. Mix a small amount of color and developer. Apply a small amount inside the elbow, here, or behind the ear. Leave the preparation and wash for a period of 28 to 48 hours. Watch for signs of an allergic reaction. The skin may itch slightly, but it should not burn or have intense and unbearable itching. Continue to use the product if you do not have allergic reaction. Since I don't have an allergic reaction to the product, kaya eto na yung gagamitin ko. Nag-skin patch test na ako 2 days ago. So, 48 hours na yun. Tandaan, bago i-apply ang product, dapat ang buhok mo ay slightly wet. Kaya, pasain mo natin. Pagkatapos mo basain ang buhok, magsisimula na tayo magkulay. Nagamit na tayo ng gloves. At bubuksan na natin. Ito. Kailangan mo i-squeeze para lumabas yung hair dye. And mix. apply evenly. Dahil may kailang buhok natin, isang sachet lang ang ating gagamitin. Kapag naubos na yung loob ng sachet, massage mo yung buhok mo from roots to tips hanggang magbubble siya. Tapos comb mo siya. Hayaan muna natin siyang nakababad ng 20 to 25 minutes. Pero kapag oily ang buhok mo, mas maganda kapag mas mahaba yung oras na nakababad ito. Para malaman mo kung ilang minuto na nakababad ang buhok mo, mag-a-alarm tayo.
A few minutes later.
Nag-ring na siya. So, tapos na ang 25 minutes and I'm gonna wash my hair na. Bye-bye!
Hi guys, I'm back. So, ito yung result niya after. Yan. Magsalata siya kapag naganang araw.